Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to hide balance on Revolut. So the first step is to simply open Revolut on your phone, and then you'll have to simply tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. And then what you'll have to do is simply scroll and go to security and privacy. So I have to go here, and then what you'll have to do is simply scroll down again and then simply tap on hide balances with a flip gesture. So you have to tap on this option, and basically this will turn on this feature, and basically your balance will be hidden and no one can see it, only if you disable this option again. So this is how to hide balance on Revolut. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.